The National Programme on Technology Enhanced Learning, or NPTEL, is a fantastic initiative by the Indian Institutes of Technology, commonly known as IITs, and the Indian Institute of Science, or ISC. This initiative aims to provide high-quality education to anyone with an internet connection. It offers a vast collection of online courses across various disciplines, completely free of charge. From engineering and science to humanities and management, NPTEL covers a wide array of subjects. Whether you're a student looking to supplement your college education, a working professional aiming to upskill, or simply someone eager to learn something new, NPTEL has something for you. The platform is designed to cater to learners of all ages and backgrounds. These courses are designed by renowned professors from top institutions, ensuring high-quality content. The lectures are meticulously planned and recorded in professional studio settings to provide the best learning experience. Each course comes with a detailed syllabus, study materials, and assignments to help you grasp the concepts thoroughly. The interactive nature of the courses allows you to engage with the content actively. With NPTEL, you can enhance your knowledge, gain valuable skills, and even earn certifications to boost your career prospects. These certificates are recognized by many industries and can add significant value to your resume. The platform also offers discussion forums where you can interact with fellow learners and instructors, making the learning process collaborative and engaging. NPTEL's mission is to make quality education accessible to everyone, breaking down geographical and financial barriers. It aims to democratize education by reaching out to learners from all corners of the world. The platform is also mobile-friendly, allowing you to learn on the go. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply relaxing at home, you can access NPTEL courses anytime, anywhere. So, let's dive in and explore how you can become a part of this enriching learning experience. Enroll in a course today and take the first step towards expanding your horizons with NPTEL. The first step towards accessing NPTEL's wealth of knowledge is creating an account. This account will be your gateway to a plethora of educational resources, ranging from video lectures to assignments and quizzes. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone eager to learn, having an NPTEL account will open up a world of opportunities for you. This process is simple and straightforward. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get through it. In just a few minutes, you'll be all set to dive into your learning journey. Visit the NPTEL website and locate the Sign Up or Register button, usually found on the top right corner of the page. This button is your starting point. Clicking on it will take you to the registration page where you can begin the process of creating your account. You will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and desired password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as this will be used for all future communications. Choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you fill in the required details, click on the Create Account button. This action will submit your information to the NPTEL system. It's a quick step, but crucial for setting up your access. You'll receive a confirmation email with the link to activate your account. This email is usually sent within a few minutes. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Clicking on the activation link will verify your email address and complete the registration process. Once activated, you can log in using your registered email address and password. This will take you to your personalized dashboard, where you can explore various courses, track your progress, and manage your account settings.
Congratulations! You've successfully created your NPTEL account. This is the first step towards enhancing your knowledge and skills. You now have access to NPTEL's vast library of courses. From engineering and science to humanities and management, there's something for everyone. Start exploring and enroll in courses that interest you. Happy learning!
With your account set up, it's time to explore the diverse range of courses NPTEL offers. The website features a user-friendly interface that makes browsing a seamless experience. You can browse courses by discipline, such as engineering, management, humanities, and more. Each course listing provides a brief overview, syllabus, instructor details, and other relevant information.
Take your time to explore different categories and find courses that align with your interests and learning goals.
Once you've found a course that excites you, click on its title to access the course page. This page provides comprehensive details about the course, including its structure, learning outcomes, and prerequisites, if any. If the course seems like a good fit, click on the Enroll button.
You might be asked to agree to the course terms and conditions before confirming your enrollment.
Section 5. Your NPTEL profile, a central hub.
After enrolling, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with your NPTEL profile.
Your profile page acts as a central hub for all your course-related activities.
Here, you can track your progress in enrolled courses, access course materials, submit assignments, and view your grades.
You can also update your personal information and communication preferences through your profile settings.
Section 6. Joining an NPTEL local chapter. NPTEL encourages learners to connect and interact with peers through local chapters. These chapters are typically located at colleges and universities across India.
Joining a local chapter allows you to participate in offline discussions, doubt-clearing sessions, and other interactive learning activities. To find a local chapter near you, visit the Local Chapters section on the NPTEL website.
Section 7. Understanding course structure and assessments. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of how our courses are organized and the various assessments that will help gauge your progress. NPTEL courses typically follow a structured format designed to facilitate a comprehensive learning experience. Each course is meticulously planned to ensure that you gain a deep understanding of the subject matter. With weekly modules consisting of video lectures, readings, quizzes, and assignments, you will have a variety of resources at your disposal. These modules are crafted to build upon each other, gradually increasing in complexity. The course page usually provides a detailed schedule outlining the topics covered each week. This schedule is your roadmap, guiding you through the course and helping you stay on track.
Assessments play a crucial role in evaluating your understanding of the course material. They are designed not only to test your knowledge but also to reinforce learning and identify areas that may need further review. These may include weekly quizzes, assignments, and a final exam. Each type of assessment serves a different purpose, from reinforcing weekly content to evaluating your overall grasp of the course. It's essential to keep track of deadlines and submit your work on time. Utilizing tools like online calendars and reminders can help you manage your time effectively and ensure that you meet all course requirements.
Section 8. Making the most of NPTEL's resources. NPTEL offers a range of resources to enhance your learning experience. These include downloadable lecture notes, video transcripts, and discussion forums where you can interact with fellow learners and course instructors.
Don't hesitate to utilize these resources to clarify doubts, seek help, and engage in meaningful discussions. Active participation can significantly enhance your understanding and retention of the course material.
Section 9. Conclusion. Embark on your learning journey. Enrolling in an NPTEL course opens doors to a world of knowledge and skill development. By following these simple steps, you can easily navigate the platform, choose courses that align with your interests, and embark on a rewarding learning journey. Remember, learning is a continuous process. Embrace the opportunity to expand your horizons, enhance your skills, and unlock your full potential with NPTEL.